Good morning, around the house with Kay and Tom. I'm just going to fix some very simple pork spare ribs. Only thing you need is your crock pot and whatever you're going to cook them in. Today I'm going to cook them in George's barbecue sauce. I did get out some beef broth, but I've changed my mind and I'm going to have them in George's barbecue sauce today. So all we need to do, this is our lovely crock pot. We're just going to take our ribs and lay them in the crock pot. Now I've got my crock pot up on some tile, and that's just because it keeps my counter from getting so hot. This is something you can just fix and leave around alone for it. It takes it about 4 hours to cook. I'm going to use 1 cup of George's original barbecue sauce. Put the lid on it, and that's all it is to it. We're going to cook it on high for a couple of hours, and then probably turn it down low for a couple more hours. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. This is nothing in the world but pork spare ribs, and it's enough to cover to fit in my crock pot. And since it's just me, that's all I need. So we'll get them started. Okay, our ribs have been cooking now for 4 hours, so let's just see what we've got. Well, I couldn't pick them up with these, so let's try something else. Now let's just see how tender they are. Oh, they look like they're really tender. I just want to see for... Oh yes, look at this. That is really, really tender. So what I'm going to do now is I have got a pan with some aluminum foil on it. I'm just going to transfer the whole thing over here on this aluminum foil. We're going to put some Baby Ray's barbecue sauce on it. I'm going to take this and put it in my Ninja and broil it for just a few seconds or a few minutes, and I'm going to stand here and watch it, and we'll be ready for dinner. Okay, I put the barbecue sauce on it and I broiled it for 4 minutes. It actually just fell off the bone. That is really tender. I had made some country potato salad earlier, This is my dinner. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. This is BBQ Spare Ribs. I started off using George's barbecue sauce, but then I decided I was going to put some Sweet Baby Ray's after they got done. I let them cook in the crock pot. Cooked them 4 hours with the George's barbecue sauce. And then I took them out and I put them in an aluminum pan with aluminum foil. And we covered them with Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Put them in my Ninja for 4 minutes. And this is what we've got. It looks fantastic, smells good, fell off the bone, and like I say, I put some potato salad. Now I'm ready to eat. Around the House, give me your comments and come back to see me. Have a good day. Bye.